In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Paperform. By the end, you'll know how to build a clean, professional form, customize its look and behavior, and share it with your audience. Start by opening your browser and searching for Paperform. Click the official site to head to the home page, then log into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the top right corner and select Create a Form. This is your starting point. You'll be asked how you want to begin. Start from scratch, use a template, or create with AI. Starting from scratch gives you full control from a blank page. Templates are great if you want a quick head start with a proven layout. Create with AI can help you generate a draft based on a short description, which you can refine afterward. Inside the editor, Paperform uses a free text approach, so you can click anywhere and start typing your title, intro, or questions. To add questions, click the question icon or simply type a / to open the question menu. From there, choose the type you need, like short answers, multiple choice, or file uploads, and adjust settings such as required fields or help text to guide respondents. For formatting, highlight text to convert it into headings or to apply bold or italic styles. This helps structure your form and makes it easier to scan. To enrich your form, add images or videos using the / command or the media icons that appear on the left of any line. Visuals can clarify instructions or make your form feel more engaging and on-brand. You can rearrange anything by dragging the handle on the left side of each block. Use this to fine-tune the flow so questions appear in a logical order. Next, open the theme menu, the water drop icon, to customize colors, fonts, and button styles. Keep your choices consistent with your brand for a professional finish. Under Theme and Appearance, you can also enable one at a time, also called guided mode, to show one question per page for a conversational experience that reduces overwhelm. Head to Configure, then Details, to set your form's title, description, and a custom URL that's easy to share. After that, go to After Submission, then Success Pages and Redirects, to decide what people see after they submit, such as a thank you message or a redirect to another page. Set up automatic email receipts for respondents and notifications for your team so you never miss a new entry. If you need to sync data, connect apps like Google Sheets, MailChimp, or Slack via After Submission, then integrations and webhooks. Finally, open the Share tab to grab your public URL or a QR code, or copy the embed code to place the form on your website or as a pop-up. That's it, your Paperform is ready to share.